Ohio gozaimasu. This is Hakodate train station. Today we're traveling across the Tsugaru Channel between the islands of Hokkaido and Honshu by bullet train via the Undersea train tunnel. The Undersea Tunnel is one of the world's longest and deepest undersea tunnels in the world. This is an ordinary local train, but even on an ordinary local, you can see they tell you exactly where you're going, what station to get off, in English as well as Japanese. They make it so simple to get around Japan, even if you're a non-Japanese speaker like we are. You can go all the way to Tokyo if you want. We're getting off at Shin-Aomori. The number 16 is the train number. The number 7 is the car number. And on your reserved tickets, you'll have a seat number, just like on an airplane. If you look at my ticket, once again, that is the train number 16. That is the car number 7. And that is your seat number 13D. Easy as pie. On a bit of trivia, subscribers know that I usually have a video full of food, and one of my viewers said she doesn't understand all this obsession with food. Well, my goodness, if I'm obsessed about food, which I am not, this is on a train. This is what they stick in your pocket. The whole thing is filled with food products for people to buy. Japanese are very big on buying food products wherever they travel and bringing it home, including my favorite, 2 cantaloupes for $62 US. 6 specialty corn. I'm just approximating the yen to the dollar. $42. Here we go. It's 1 hour, 2 minutes to Shin-Aomori, and after we get out of the station, it's going to be interesting to see if we plunge under the water right away or if there is some land first. Obviously, once we're underwater, there's nothing to see. It was originally opened for operation in 1988, and it connects Hokkaido to the rest of mainland Japan by train. That's it, we're in the tunnel, or their version of the tunnel. Right now we're going 140 kilometers, and we're in the tunnel. We are under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. 53.8 kilometers long. We are across. Welcome to Honshu.